What if I told you that the world you live in, the prices you pay, the debt your nation carries, and even the global economic system itself is built on something Allah warned against more severely than theft and oppression? What if a silent empire rose behind the scenes, replacing Allah's financial system with one designed to extract, enslave, and control? Today, we reveal the hidden empire of Riba. Setting the stage, condensed, for most of history, wealth was really gold, silver, grain, livestock. Money came from effort. Trade came from fairness. Then a shift began. A new idea appeared, money created not from work but from debt. A few realized that controlling debt means controlling nations, and thus an unseen empire began rising, conquering the world without a single army. Origins shortened. It started with early money lenders. Lend money, demand more back, grow without working. This idea expanded into lending houses, then banks. Then institutions powerful enough to influence kings. The moment interest became normal, Riba silently became ruler. Rise of the system, short. By the 1600s, the first central banks appeared. Governments, desperate for war funds, surrendered financial control. Paper replaced gold. Debt replaced wealth. Riba replaced justice. By the 1900s, nearly all nations were tied into this system, not by force but by signatures. 1971, the breaking point. In 1971, the US dollar cut its link to gold. Money stopped representing value. It became pure debt. From then on, currency could be printed endlessly. Every new dollar came from nothing and came with interest, meaning every new dollar increased global slavery. Fallout: short and powerful countries collapsed under debt. Families drowned in loans. Housing, food, medicine, everything inflated. The Quran warned that Riba destroys blessings, and we see it today. Inflation, recession, poverty, and nations permanently trapped in debt. The borrower became the property of the lender. Failed fixes, governments tried printing money, lowering rates, raising rates, bailouts. But every solution created more debt. You cannot fix a system built upon disobedience. Modern reality, short, global debt, over $315 trillion. Dozens of countries in crisis, interest payments eating national budgets. Banks creating money from nothing through fractional lending. The empire of Riba is no longer hidden. It is global. Final message plus warning plus CTA. Takeaway: Riba isn't just a sign. It is an economic weapon. Debt-based money guarantees inequality and endless inflation. Only an interest-free, value-backed Quranic model can restore justice. Warning: if humanity continues on this path, the empire of Riba will collapse and the world will collapse with it. Call to action: spread awareness. Study Islamic economics. Support ethical, interest-free models. And share this video so more people can understand the system ruling their lives.